is everyone doing? It's great to see you again. I took a little bit of a break. Life got a little too tumultuous and tough for a while. So that's why I was away. But I'm back and we're going to continue with the monthly lottery reading. And we already have the person that is going to receive the reading this month. And it's Rachel K. Congratulations, Rachel K. You're a longtime supporter of mine. And I'm very happy to do this reading for you. And just to explain a little further to those who are here for the first time, this is a reading lottery that I do each and every month. So if you want to be participating in the next one, you can follow the instructions in the description box, and your name could be part of this and you could receive a reading. So Rachel, let's get to your reading. All right, so we're going to do an affirmations reading, okay? This is a reading type which is available on my website, so if you guys like this, you can book a reading like this for yourself. And the point of this reading type is that we're taking a little bit of a slower, more meditative approach, and we're focusing usually on just one card from the deck that connects with your current life situation, and the affirmations are built upon that card. So I'm going to give the cards a bit of a shuffle, Rachel, and then we are going to jump right into it. This is the Wild Unknown Tarot, which I really like. And hopefully you guys are going to like it too. You've seen it on my channel a couple times. Used it many times already, actually. And so now that the shuffling is done, I'm going to fan the cards. And feel free to find a relaxing position. And if you're not Rachel, don't worry. You're welcome to stay and listen to this reading. This is a public reading. And perhaps you'll be able to take something away for yourself as well. But this reading is primarily for Rachel. So Rachel, we're going to take this time to center your attention and your focus inward. And I'm using the brush to find the card which is going to be the best basis for our affirmations today. So make sure to sit or lay down comfortably. Pay attention to your breathing. Allow it to flow freely. Take deep breaths. Long inhales. Long exhales. Just notice how your nervous system is already relaxing. This is a safe space. You're completely safe and grounded in the present moment. And the brush is seeking the answers. So if you have anything on your mind, any worries or questions that you've dealt with recently, things that you're contending with, there's no need to try and repress them or suppress them. If they want to come and be a part of this reading, then that's okay. Don't worry about that. The cards are going to reflect upon your current situation. So I think we found the card. Are you ready? And it's the Two of Cups. What a lovely card. As you observe these two cups forming a union based in the watery, flexible, emotive element, you notice how your soul, your entire being, is yearning for a connection. This card is the signifier of close and intense and intimate one-on-one interpersonal relationships, whether that be romantic or friendly in nature. And so the Two of Cups has shown up to let you know that you are ready and open. If you are already in the relationship, this signals the deepening of your bond with your loved one. If you are seeking to find intimate relationship or relationships, the Two of Cups is letting you know that that's on the horizon. So let's now sink into the realm of affirmations. I am worthy of love and attention. There is at least one person out there, but more likely it's a cluster of souls who are ready to vibe with my vibe. There are people out there who are emotionally co-resonating with me already, even if we haven't met in actual physical reality just yet. I am perfect and whole as I am. I don't need anybody to compliment me and my energy. However, I am deserving of the great luxury of companionship. My heart, my soul is open. My energy invites another person. It makes space for someone else to be present. In my practice of loving attachments, I learn about myself, things I couldn't access if I were on my own. The other person is a mirror, reflecting my own energy back to me. And I'm ready to receive this information. simultaneously get closer to who I am as well. I am here to experience love. This is my destiny. And everything is pointing in this direction. Who I am as I am now is lovable. I deserve respect and gentleness. I'm capable of giving and receiving love. I'm capable of respecting and loving myself. And therefore, my life is opening up to communicate with another person on a deeper level. This isn't something I need. This isn't water or food or shelter. This is a luxury that I deserve. I am ready to connect. Thank you for watching, Rachel, and thank you to everybody else who stayed here with us. Thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone for their support.